Before we begin with the topic of unity and support for growth, first of all, we will present a short video that related to our topic. Azra was known throughout her school as the quiet and dedicated student who preferred to study alone. She often retreated to a secluded spot near her classroom to revise her lessons in solitude. One day, Damia, Azira, and Fina, who were not as diligent as Azra, noticed her sitting alone in the shelter. They couldn't help but feel envious of Azra's constant praise from their lecturers. Seeing an opportunity to disrupt Azra's study session, the three classmates decided to confront her.
Luckily, Ain, who shared the same class with Azra and her envious classmates, saw their action and rushed to intervene.
Hey, what are you doing? It's not right to disturb someone who's studying. If you have questions or need help, ask politely. Let's treat our fellow classmates with respect. Azra, we are sorry for bothering you. We were wrong. Yes, we should have respected your study time. Can you forgive us? I accept your apologies. Understanding the value of unity and cooperation, the fellow classmates Azra, Damia, Azira, and Fina decided to study together. They realized that learning from one another's strength will make them a better student. With renewed determination, Azra's classmates, inspired by her dedication, started to put in more effort into their studies. They learned that envy only hindered their own progress. As time passed, these once envious classmates, now friends, improved not only in their academics but also in their character. They learned the importance of respect, teamwork, and supporting one another.
Unity for growth. Improve communication. Benefit is unity foster open and effective communication, leading to better understanding among team members. Enhance collaboration. Benefit is unity promotes collaboration, allowing team members to leverage each other's strengths and work together more efficiently. Support for growth. Sharing knowledge and expertise. Rule collaboration environment enable the exchange of knowledge and expertise, leading to informed decision making and better problem solving. Resource sharing. Rule collaboration allows organization to pool resources, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Next is challenges invite. Determining team morals effects is evaluating a team can lead to a toxic work environment, as team members may become demotivated and less willing to collaborate. Reduce productivity. Effect is envious individuals may focus more on undermining or competing with their colleagues than on their works, leading to decreased productivity. After that is challenges, disruptions. Technological disruption. Disruption is advanced in technology can render existing product or service obsolete, forcing organization to adapt or risk decline. Market disruption. Disruption is change in consumer behavior, preference, or demographic can disrupt market and demand patterns. Strategies to overcome envy and disruptions. Promote a culture of collaboration is encourage open communication, teamwork, and the sharing of ideas and resources. Teams that collaborate are better equipped to address disruptions and support disappoint others. Implement cross-functional teams to tackle complex challenges, combining diverse perspectives and skills.